Feeling bogged down by spreadsheets that rely too much on individual inputs? The CFO Platform by Profitbase helps you transcend time-consuming spreadsheet maintenance and number crunching and makes financial planning a digital strategic powerhouse. The platform integrates data from ERP and other sources and automates all the collection and maintenance. The platform also works excellently in combination with PowerBI, allowing you to easily distribute important insights in visually appealing reports to decision makers. Enhanced by specialized solutions like budgeting and forecasting, consolidation, and risk management, your financial planning and analysis efforts can be taken to a whole new level. In addition to the pre-built solutions, the platform can be extended with customized digital process automation applications to be tailored to your company's specific needs. Getting started with the CFO platform is easy. Contact us today to elevate your financial management from manual number crunching to a digitized strategic force that enables the company to make profitable decisions faster.
Profitbase.